great. So we have learned, okay, this, and now we will start another topic. Okay, is a topic means will be regarding on the slice. Okay, so you know, like we have all learned, but now we are talking about the omitting start. What is the omitting stop or omitting start? Okay, so we understand. So this is like this is we called omitting start text from zero. Right? We also call this is omitting start. What we call this? Omitting start. Omitting start. Okay, fine. What is running? Let's see what will be the output here. Valid syntax. Why? Because I made this. Now, the next name text is okay. Text is not defined because here this is a new code, so this is not asking. So what we will do? We will write here text. Okay, and let's print again. Okay, let's print again. You can see already printed, right? Now, so we call this as well because we have learned this. Okay, we'll start from the zero, and we call this omitting start as well. Okay, got it? Now I'm talking omitting stop. What is a omitting stop? Omitting stop. I will copy it here. Okay, and make it omitting stop. Stop. So how can we write omitting stop, or what will be the code here? We have to understand. So suppose we have, okay, I will copy this, okay, straight to right. Okay. Now here is like this omitting before the 4. Now is omitting before the after the 4. Okay. And we have to print this. Okay, let's see what will be the output here. So here we have already learned this. What is the syntax? Okay. Okay, here. So this is the fourth. Okay, the fourth, it means start from the fourth and is end. So what is the mean of this? It means omitting, assume, Python assumes fill and. Okay, here Python assume start from the zero like this. Okay. Before slashing, no value, Python assume start from the zero. Now I will write here to understand. After slicing, no value, Python assume till end. Okay, got it my point? Now I can give you one more example here. Okay, so we will open new cell. Okay, and let's see, is a here is a 4, we can make a 2, and after 2 we will make omitting start, or not omitting stop. Omitting start means this one, or omitting stop means this one. Okay, let's see, omitting stop. So it's a thun. Okay, it's a thun. I want one more. Okay, so here I will, let's see, I will make it is like or I can make this first. Let's see, is there any output here? We can say it means start from here. I can also explain this. Okay, I write this, start from 0 index and stop till and index. Okay, so you understand, if I want to print all these like uh, strings word, okay, so I want to use this before slice and after slice there is no value. Okay, so no value, here we can mention no value before and after slice. Okay, and start from 0 and stop to end. Okay, right? So this is the string. And now, okay, I give you one more example. Suppose I want here only 0. Let's see, is there any output? Yes, is output, because we start from the 0 index. We started from 0 index. Okay, 0 index and using omitting start. Okay, it means all string will print. Okay, all string will print. Okay, got it? So now you understood this. Okay, now, okay, I tell you another things. Okay, now it is a very important. Okay, slicing with step. What means slicing with step? Wait, omitting stop, omitting, I will this, omitting start. What is the date here today? Today is the date is 17, right? 17th June 26, right? So we will remember this what we have learned today. Okay, got it now. So now we have to learn slicing with step. Already explained this slicing with step. I think slicing spelling is wrong. Okay. What is the syntax here? We have used syntax. We can go up and see the slicing syntax. Okay. Slicing syntax with the syntax. Okay, this is a syntax, right? This is a syntax. What a syntax we have? Syntax is this, right? This is the syntax. Okay. Now, so now I'm talking about the slicing with step. What is the step? This is step, right? So we have to use start, okay, and then slice, then stop. Slice the what? How many steps do you want to skip here? Okay, so steps will be skipped in a sequence way, right? I told you this, right? Okay, so the step would or will be in sequence, right? So how many here we have to skip, how many we have to skip sequence in the, or we can make what should I what I mention here, the right correct. I tell you this one. Wait. Yeah, I will copy this. Okay. So how many position of the index you want to skip from string in sequence to print? Right? We have already learned this, right? I copied because we can save the time here. Am I right? Now, how can we use this? Okay, so we have a same is we can use the same text is equal to Python. Okay, this we have the string. Okay, now what we have to check? So we have to skip two at least because one. If we make here one, so we will print all the same. Like I tell you, how can we use this text? We can use square bracket, right? Then we use from zero index, then we slice and giving space to understand, and then we six, okay, then two. Let's see. So what will be print here? Let's see. We will run this code. So PTO, it means, okay, I can explain better here. Let's see here. I will copy this one again. Let's this index. No, this is a negative one. We are talking about a positive one, right? This. Okay. So here I can explain better. Uh, so what is mean here? Like zero. What is right? We start from the zero, right? So here is the zero is a P. Then there is a two. So we have to skip the two steps in a sequence way. So P, so one, okay, one is like a zero is a one, okay, pi is a two, then we have two is a two. It means after zero we will count from the zero one. It's there is a two step. Am I right? Understood it? Okay. So we printed here T. Now, what is a T? And then after 2, we can count here. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so 2 will skip, which means 2 or 3 index will skip, then will come the 4. 4th means 0. Okay, and then if you talk about the 5th index, okay, after 5th index, there is no 2. Okay, so we will not print. Okay, I mean, Python will not print it here. Understood it? Should I explain again? I tell you. Wait. I tell you. So 0, okay, and then is a 2, okay, and then is a 4. So we are printing this. Okay? We are printing this. Okay, I will make this is the index. Is an index, okay, and this is a character. What a character here? Character, okay. Let's see, you will get better understanding. Is a 0 means is a P, right? 2 means is a T, correct? And 4th means is a O. Am I right? So here you can say there's a after 0, okay, is a 2 is a skips, right? 0 or 1. 2 steps skip, right? After 2, okay, after 2 or 3 skipping here, the index, right? So it means we are skipping the index in sequence way in string. What we have a string, right? Like I will make this string here, suppose, okay, this is string, okay. So automatically Python will skip the string or index in a sequence way and print the string as per the skipping the index. Okay. Now here is a space. I tell you, space will count as a string character. Suppose here is a space. So what we will do? Y1 and then then is a space is a two characters, okay, one or two index here, and then we will then Python will print is a p. Okay, got it my point? Got understood here? Oh, that's great. Okay, now I give you another example. Let's see. We will use another cell. Okay. So I want to know from you. Okay, let's see what we will do here. Okay, string of